Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we see the multiplication of fraction by whole number. Okay. So today we see the multiplication of fraction by another fraction. Okay. So here we multiply the fraction. This is 1 upon 7 multiply by another fraction by 1 by 2. Okay. So here we first write the formula. What is the formula to find the fraction? So we write here the product of fraction. Product means your answer. Okay, the product of fraction is equal to product of numerator and product of denominator. Okay, so this is the formula to find the product of fraction, two fraction. Okay, so here we take a first we write the product of numerator, means numerator is 1 multiplied by 1. Okay, 1 multiplied by 1 divided by, this is product of denominator, 7 multiplied by 2. What is your answer? 1 1s are 1 and 7 2s are 14. So here we get the answer 1 upon 14, and this is proper fractions. Okay, see, numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. So we get the answer 1 upon 14. Okay, this is your first question. See here, we take a next example. Suppose your number is, now see here, this is second question. 1 upon 4, 1/4 multiplied by 4/3. So here first you have to write the formula. Product of fraction is equal to product of numerator and product of denominator. So first is 1 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 3. See here, in this fraction, here 4 will be cut. Okay, so you have to solve this. 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, now you have to convert this fraction into lowest form. Okay, see here, this is 4 and this is 12. So how to convert is 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So here we get the answer 1/3. Okay, see, this is your answer. In this way we solve the given questions. Okay, on exercise 2.3. Now see here, product of two proper fraction. See, in this figure you have to find the product of two proper fractions. See here, numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. Here again, numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. So this is proper fraction. Okay, so here we find the product of two proper fractions. See, first, what is the step to solve the fraction, multiplication of fraction? First we have to multiply numerators. Okay, 2 4s are 8 and here we get 4 5s are 10. Okay, so in improper fraction, sorry, here we write 4 5s are 20. Okay, so here 2 4s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. Okay, so here we get the answer 4 upon 20. Okay, now this proper fraction again converted into lowest form. Okay, both are even number, so we divide this number by 2 or 4. See here, 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. Okay, so here we get the answer 2 upon 5. Okay, but we here remember that the product is less than each of the fraction. See here, always remember this, when we multiply uh, two proper fraction, the product is less than each of the fractions. See here how to product. See here, which is greater here, 2 upon 4 or this is product 2 upon 5. Your answer is 2 upon 5. Which is greater here? In last session, I already told you in Google Meet, when the denominator is greater, then the fraction is smaller. Okay. So here, see here denominator, here 2 is the same. Okay. But here denominator here is 4 and here is 5. So denominator is greater than the fraction is smaller. Okay, so see here, or another way how to solve this, you have to make a like fraction. Like fraction कैसे बनाओगे आप? See here, 2 upon 4. Okay, you take LCM, 4 5 are 20. So LCM of this 4 and 5 is 20. Okay, so denominator you want 20. Okay, so when you multiply by 4 5s are 20. You multiply by this both two number. 4 5s are 20 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, and 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. So which is greater here? See here, this fraction is greater, means 2 upon 4 is greater than the product. This is product. Okay, so here we get product is smaller than the fraction. Now we take for 4 upon 5. Again, see here, 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Here is clear. Here denominator is same. So which fraction is greater? You already know that 4 upon 5 is greater. 4 is greater than 2. So product, this is product and this is question, fraction. Okay, so we get here, we write here product is less than each of the fraction. Okay, you आपको समझ में आया? See here, यहाँ पे दोनों denominator is same, 2 2. Okay, so we compare the denominator. But जब आप denominator compare करते हो तब क्या देखना है आपको? The number, if the denominator is greater, then the fraction is smaller. Okay, and in this type of fraction, see here, denominator is same. So in this fraction, you have to compare the numerators. Okay, here 4 is greater, so this fraction is greater. Okay, so in, now we see one more example. See, this is your question, 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 7. Okay, again you have to find the product. 1 2 are 2 and 5 7 are 35. Okay, see here, this is proper fraction. Okay, numerator is small and denominator is greater. Now you have to find the product is smaller or greater. See here, 1 upon 5, which is greater here, 1 upon 5 or 2 upon 35? So here, first you have to make a like fraction. Okay, 35. So 7 5 and 35, इसमें कौन एलसीएम कौन सा ले सकते हैं आप? 35, बिकॉज दिस इज ग्रेटर नंबर एंड 5 को जब आप 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको आंसर कितना आएगा? 35. सो यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस फ्रैक्शन इनटू लाइक फ्रैक्शन. 7 and 5 7 are 35. Okay, now which fraction is greater? This is your answer, 2 upon 35. Here is no need to convert because denominator is already 35. So this clear that 7 upon 35 is greater and 7 upon 35 is greater means 1 upon 5 is greater. Okay, then suppose we take 2 upon 7 and your question is, answer is 2 upon 35. Again when you 7 is multiplied by 5, we get answer 35. So here we make a like fraction, 2 multiplied by 5 and 7 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 7 5s are 35. So here we write the answer, 2 upon first number is your this 10 upon 35. Okay, and this 2 upon 35. So see which number is greater again? 35 is common and 10 is greater than 2. So again, what is the answer? 10 upon 35 means 2 upon 7. So you have to write here the product of, what is your statement? To write here the product of two proper fraction इज लेस देन. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको प्रोडक्ट लेस मिलेगा, स्मॉल मिलेगा. लेस देन each of the two fraction. Okay, so here the product is smaller than each of the fraction. Okay, in this way you have to complete this table. Okay, this page number 40 in your textbook only. 1 2s are 2 and 7 5s are 35. Okay, denominator is greater, so fraction is smaller. So you have to write here 2 5s are 25 is smaller than 1 upon 5, and 2 upon 35 is smaller than or less than 2 upon 7. Okay, in this way, and write here the product is less than each of the fraction. Okay, to complete this table in your textbook only. Now we find the product of two improper fraction. See here, now here we find the product of two improper fraction. See here, numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Okay, and this type of fraction is converted into mixed fraction. Okay, proper fraction is not converted into mixed fraction. Only improper fraction is converted into uh, mixed fraction. Okay, so here, see here, 7 and 5 both are greater. Numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. And now we find the product. 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, so here again we find the product. Okay, first fraction is 7 upon 5, and your product is, this is your answer. So which is greater here? How to find? See here, 7. Okay, and this 5. Now we convert the LCM of this number, we get here 10, because 5 2s are 10. 10. So you have to multiply here 7 2s are and 5 2s are. 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10. So we get here like fraction. So now which is greater here? 35 upon 10 or 14 upon 10. Now these both are like fraction. So here 35 is greater because 14 is smaller number. So your product is greater than given fraction. Now take next 5 upon 2. This is another fraction. Okay, now again we compare this both the fraction. Now you have, when you multiply by 5, 2 को आप 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको फ्रैक्शन कौन सा आएगा? 10 मिलेगा. ओके, सो यू हैव टू मेक अ लाइक फ्रैक्शन. सो 5 5s are and 2 5s are. 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. Now we get the fraction, both this fraction, 35 upon 10 and 25 upon 10. Which fraction is greater? 35 is greater than 25. So again this product is greater than given fraction. Okay, 25 upon 10 means 5 upon 2. Okay, so in improper fraction the product is greater than each of the fraction. Okay, see here again one more example here. See, I will take the example from your book. Here is fraction, numerator is not given, so what is your answer? And directly answer is given. So you have to table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24. So you have to write here 4. 4 is your answer. Okay, and 5 3s are 15. Now you have to find product is greater than or less than. So first fraction is 6 upon 5, and this is your answer. Okay, 24 upon 15. So when you multiply by 5, Here LCM is 15. Greater number is 15. So when you multiply by 3, we get here 15. 5 3s are 15. So multiply by 3, both the numerator and denominator. 5, 6 3s are 18. 5 3s are 15. So which is greater here? This is your product. 24 at 18, the 24 is greater number. So product is greater than fraction. Okay, this is fraction. Now next fraction is 4 upon 3 and product is 24 upon 15. When you multiply by, again you have to make a like fraction. So when you multiply by 5, we get denominator 15. Okay, 4 5s are and 3 5s are. 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 15. Now we get both the fraction, like fraction. So which is greater here? Again product is greater than the given fraction. Okay, 20 upon 50 means 4 upon 3. Okay, so you have to write here when the product of two improper fraction is always greater than each of the fraction. Okay, remember this. Okay, the product of two improper fraction is always greater than each of the fraction, and the product of two proper fraction always less than two less than the each of the fraction. Now in this way you have to complete this table in your textbook. See, in this table you have to complete this table in your textbook only, page number 41. Okay, this is page number 41. You have to complete this table in your textbook only. Okay, see here you have, now we solve this question. Now see third question, 9 7 are 63. Here is 8 is given, means when we multiply by which number is here? 4 2 4s are 8. So here we write here 4. Okay, and now you have to write here 63 upon 8 is greater than 9 upon 2, and 63 upon 8 is greater than 7 upon 4. Okay, and write here product is greater than each of the fraction. Okay, in this way you have to complete this table. Then last, here is no number. 8 3s are 24. Then 7 2s are 14, means here we get the fraction 3 upon 2, and write the action greater than less than, and write here the product is greater than each of the fraction. Okay, so in this way you have to complete both the table in your textbook only.